In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open table view in Trello. If you are a Trello user, you know how powerful it is for organizing and managing tasks. But did you know that Trello offers multiple ways to view your boards? One of the most useful options is the table view, which allows you to see your cards in a structured spreadsheet-like format. This can make it easier to manage details like due dates, assignees, and labels all in one place. So let's dive in and walk through the steps to access and use table view in Trello. To get started, open your internet browser and navigate to Trello.com. Once the Trello homepage loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. This will take you to the login page. From here, you'll need to enter your credentials. You can type in your email address and password, or if you prefer, you can select a single sign-on option like Google or Microsoft. Once your email is entered, type in your password and click Login to authenticate your account. Depending on your account's security settings, you may need to complete a verification step like entering a code sent to your email or phone. Follow these prompts and you'll be taken to your Trello workspace. Now that you're logged in, you should see your Trello dashboard, which displays all your boards. Locate the board you want to work on and click it to open. If you have a lot of boards and can't find the one you're looking for right away, use the search bar at the top of the dashboard. Simply type in the name of the board, and it should appear in the search results. Once your board is open, look near the top of the screen, close to the board title there. You'll find the Views menu or a small icon that represents it. Click on the Views menu to expand a drop-down list of viewing options. From the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Table. This will switch your board to table view, where the layout organizes your cards into rows. Each row represents a card, and the columns display details such as the list the card belongs to, assigned members, labels, and due dates. This view is especially helpful if you need to see and manage multiple cards at a glance. If you want to add a new card or list while in table view, look for the Add button. It's typically represented by a plus symbol. Click this button to create a new item. A form will appear where you can fill in the details for your new card, such as the card title, the list it belongs to, its due date, and any members you want to assign. When you've entered all the necessary details, click the Create button to save your new card or list. For better visibility, you can adjust the columns in table view by dragging the edges to resize them. This can help you focus on the information that's most important to you. Feel free to customize the layout to suit your workflow. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed and customized table view in Trello. This feature makes it so much easier to organize and track your tasks, all while staying on top of important details. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.